Hey guys, it's Mike. Just finished up this Harley Softail. I mean, it doesn't look like one because it's pretty much fully custom. He's riding the bike to Sturgis next week, so he wanted to get some basic coverage done to help protect the custom paint job. We did the full chin spoiler with a double layer on the bottom edge, behind the front and rear fenders, a wear section on the gas tank, and then we did the entire section underneath the seat so that he could be ready to at least take the bike to Sturgis. More than likely he's gonna come back, and then we're gonna just end up pulling all of this and doing the entire bike.